GoLo GoCamp is a unique product that combines an electric cargo bike with a detachable camper cabin. It's essentially a micro-camper that is solar-powered and built for off-grid adventures. The GoLo itself is an electric cargo bike designed for urban environments. It has a comfortable recumbent seating position, a powerful 250-watt motor, and a 1000Wh battery that provides a range of up to 31 miles on a single charge. The GoCamp is a modular add-on that transforms the e-bike into a mini-camper. Electric bike, the GoLo is a powerful electric cargo bike that can take you wherever you want to go. Camper attachment, the GoCamp camper attachment provides a comfortable sleeping space for one person. Solar panels, the GoCamp has solar panels that can help to extend the battery life of the electric bike. Bubble tents are unique accommodations that offer a glamorous way to experience the outdoors. They are typically transparent dome-shaped structures made from a durable, weatherproof plastic. Bubble tents provide guests with panoramic views of the surrounding landscape, allowing them to feel immersed in nature while enjoying the comforts of a luxurious room. Some even come with amenities like comfortable beds, furniture, and even telescopes for stargazing. Here are some of the benefits of staying in a bubble tent. Unique experience, bubble tents offer a one-of-a-kind way to experience nature. Panoramic views, guests can enjoy stunning views of the surrounding landscape from the comfort of their bed. Haven Tent is a unique take on a camping hammock that combines the comfort of a flat bed with the portability of a hammock. It's designed to address the discomfort some people experience while sleeping in traditional camping hammocks, where the body naturally curves inwards. Flat-lay sleeping platform provides a comfortable sleeping experience for all sleeping positions. Bug net keeps you safe from mosquitoes and other insects. Rainfly protects you from the rain. Lightweight and portable, folds up small for easy transport. Durable materials, made from high-quality materials that are built to last. Setup time, the Haven tent takes a little longer to set up than a traditional hammock, but it's still relatively quick and easy. Cost, the Haven tent is more expensive than some other camping hammocks on the market. Aerogogo Aerotent is a new generation of inflatable tent designed for campers who prioritize quick setup, spaciousness, and versatility. Effortless setup. One-button inflation, the Aerogogo Aerotent boasts a built-in air pump or may be compatible with a separate Aerogogo air pump. With the push of a button, the inflatable air beams inflate the tent frame in a matter of minutes, eliminating the need for manual setup with poles and complex structures. Self-assembling, once inflated, the air beams automatically create the tent structure, further simplifying the setup process. Spacious and comfortable. Large interior, the Aerogogo Aerotent offers a generous amount of living space compared to traditional camping tents. This allows for comfortable movement and can accommodate multiple people or extra gear. Multiple doors and mesh windows, depending on the specific model, the Aerotent might have several entrances and mesh windows. This enhances ventilation, provides natural light, and offers different access points. Wildland Lareira Roof Tent is a rooftop tent designed for off-road adventures and comfortable camping. Here's what you need to know about this specific model. Features: easy installation on your vehicle with compatible roof bars. Designed for durability and handling rough terrain. Increased interior space compared to some roof tent models, allowing for storing gear inside while sleeping. Double opening roof hatches for ventilation and access. Includes various accessories like a telescopic ladder, mattress, interior LED light strip, and potentially a repair kit. Considerations before you buy. Compatibility: ensure the Wildland Lareira roof tent is compatible with the weight capacity and dimensions of your car's roof rack. Your needs: consider the number of people who will be using the tent and the type of camping you plan to do. This will help you determine the size and features you need. Price and availability: roof tents can be a significant investment. Research prices from different retailers and consider the availability of the Wildland Lareira model in your area. Napier Backroadz SUV tent is a popular car camping solution designed to create a comfortable and convenient living space by connecting directly to your SUV's cargo area. Spacious comfort. Large interior, the 10-foot by 10-foot floor area offers ample space to sleep up to 5 adults comfortably, making it suitable for families or groups. Standing room, with a maximum height of 7 feet, the tent provides enough headroom for most people to move around comfortably. Easy setup and convenience. Vehicle sleeve, a key feature is the sleeve that attaches to your SUV's open hatch, seamlessly connecting the tent to your car's cargo space. This eliminates the need to pitch a separate tent and provides easy access to your vehicle's interior. Simple pole hub design. The straightforward pole hub design allows for quick and hassle-free setup in under 10 minutes, letting you spend less time assembling and more time enjoying your camping trip. Weather protection. Full rain fly. A full rain fly with taped seams and zippered storm flaps on windows, door, and vents offers protection from rain and wind. Crua Modus is an all-in-one camping system that combines a tent, sleeping bag, air mattress, bug mesh, fly sheet, picnic blanket, temperature regulator, and hammock. It's a great option for campers who want to travel light and simplify their setup. The Crua Modus is made from high-quality materials and is designed to be durable and weatherproof. Here are some of the key features of the Crua Modus. Multifunctional, can be used as a tent, hammock, sleeping bag, air mattress, bug mesh, fly sheet, picnic blanket, and temperature regulator. Compact and portable, folds up into a small package that is easy to carry and store. Durable, made from high-quality materials that are built to last. Weatherproof, can withstand the elements. Comfortable, provides a comfortable sleeping and lounging experience. Connectable fly sheets, you can connect multiple Crua Modus systems together to create a larger shelter. Gazelle T8 Hub Tent is a family-friendly tent designed for spaciousness, easy setup, and comfortable camping experiences. Spacious design. Accommodates up to 8 people. With ample floor space, the T8 can comfortably sleep up to 8 people, making it ideal for families or large groups. Additional gear storage. The spacious interior allows for storing extra gear alongside sleeping arrangements. Easy setup. Hub design. The tent utilizes a hub and pole system that streamlines the setup process. This allows for quick assembly compared to tents with traditional pole sleeves. Ready in 90 seconds, the manufacturer claims the hub design facilitates a setup time of around 90 seconds, saving you time and effort when pitching camp. Weather protection and functionality. Waterproof materials. The tent is constructed with a durable, water-resistant shell to keep you dry during rainy weather. Removable floor. A removable floor allows for easy cleaning and customization depending on your needs. Kodiak Canvas Cabin Tent is a high-quality, durable tent designed for various outdoor activities, from family camping trips to hunting expeditions. Here are some key features and details about this tent. Key features. Material. Made from HydroShield 100% cotton duck canvas, which is breathable, watertight, and durable. The canvas is treated to be water-resistant, reducing the chance of leaks even in heavy rain. Design and structure. Available in various sizes, typically accommodating 4 to 12 people depending on the model. Features a spacious cabin-like design with vertical walls, providing ample headroom and more usable interior space. Sturdy frame made from galvanized steel tubing for extra stability and durability. Ventilation. Equipped with large D-shaped doors and multiple windows with no-seam mesh for enhanced airflow and to keep insects out. Ceiling vents help improve air circulation and minimize condensation. Pocket Sink is a small, portable hand-washing station that is designed to be easy to carry and use anywhere. It's typically ideal for situations where there is no access to soap and running water, such as camping, hiking, traveling, or even in emergencies. There are different designs of pocket sinks, but they generally consist of a collapsible basin, a water container, and a faucet. Some models also include a soap dispenser and a towel. Here are some of the benefits of using a pocket sink. Convenience, pocket sinks are small and lightweight, making them easy to carry with you wherever you go. Hygiene, they allow you to wash your hands with soap and water, even when you're not near a sink. This can help to prevent the spread of germs and illness. Versatility, pocket sinks can be used for a variety of purposes, such as washing hands, dishes, fruits, or vegetables. Water conservation, some pocket sinks use a small amount of water for each hand washing session.